pioneers in introducing the institute. This institute, NIT Jalandhar, came in 1987 as the Regional Engineering College Jalandhar.
It's maybe parabolic, but in the other side is a line. In the previous case, it was a 3D, three-dimensional. This is a true two-dimensional parabolic, and all the large scale the concentrating solar power plants. And we completely we can
installed the dryer at Dehradun, and now he is installing at further places in Uttaranchal as well. He is
facilities under research side. I mean, one of the slides, current state of art. I mentioned the last line. The so far cogeneration level, it is well done.
Which are used for enhancing the heat transfer. So even in twisted tapes, people have used many alterations like we have twisted tape.
How it is working, the same mathematical model has been implemented, it is fabricated, the collector has been fabricated, and it is operating now. This is actually real time. Real time means we can't.
We used Earth's heat. So after that, the air is introduced into a dryer like this. Okay, if you see this large duct that is going on the left corner, you will see
the flat plate concept. There is no concentrating type. So again, some
we all have seen related to solar cooker as well. So these are kind of very common in Indian location as well. And these days, more and more we are. Can I use that to selectively absorb certain portions of sunlight, which is what I want in my solar thermal collector?
Love is the complete value of harmony in family.
Canada, these countries and North Europe countries, they store heat energy under the ground during the summer time, and they take that energy for their space model. It is experimental one. So this to commercialize this, lot of further that is pilot scale demonstration model, and this what is that
I know the best experts from various parts of the country have been invited for this. So I put on record my appreciation to Department of Mechanical in general and Dr. T. Srinivas in particular. This is a very relevant topic, and I think everyone connected. Still, I can see more than 78 people are connected. So everyone connected might have gained a lot of knowledge in this upcoming area. As I have told in the inaugural session also.
Andhra Pradesh. First of all, I would thank the organizers, in particular the coordinator, Professor Srinivas, for organizing such a wonderful faculty development program. Actually, I was working in this area for the past 7 years, and we were actively working in solar air heaters with phase change materials also. Really, I'm thankful to the organizers for introducing the various areas where we can take this research to get a maximum benefit from the solar radiation. Actually, unless you are working in this particular area, it is a bit difficult to understand, because majority of the speakers, they shared their valuable experience through case studies, and really I motivated a lot, and I feel that now I have to work maybe 100%, 200% times than what currently I'm working, because lot of scope is there for elaborating research in solar thermal applications. Really, I'm once again thankful to NIT Jalandhar for giving this opportunity and accepting our request to participate in this. I hope we will continue our coordination with NIT Jalandhar. Once again, thank you one and all.
Thank you, Dr. Mohan.
Thank you, Mohan.
Hello.
Jagdish.
Hello, sir. Can I speak? I am
Yes, yes.
Sudhir. I am Dr. Sudhir. I am from the southern side. I am from Kerala. I am from TKM College of Engineering, Kollam, Kerala. And I'm really happy to be part of this FDP. And thank you, Srinivas. It was a wonderful coordination from your side. Your mails were prompt, exactly reaching in time. And also the WhatsApp group, you conveyed everything fantastic. And it was really a pleasure for being part of this group and this wonderful organization. I enjoyed the lectures. I missed, in fact, some of the lectures partly, but still I was really happy to be part, and the takeaways and the advancement in the solar industry actually, which was much more than what I was knowing. But thanks for that, all this information to this FTP. Thank you so much, and wishing all the participants and the coordinators and NIT Jalandhar all the best. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Sudhir. Now, anyone is there? Anyone else want to give their?
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yes, Anupam.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Yeah, this is Anupam Sharma from IIT Goa. First of all, let me thank Dr. Srinivas for organizing such a wonderful course, Atal Academy, Honorable Director NIT Jalandhar, Dr. Shukla, HOD, Mechanical Department, and all the faculty members of Mechanical Department at NIT Jalandhar. It was a wonderful experience, and all the lectures were really nice, especially Professor Velraj from Anna University. I really liked a lot, especially from my side, sir. and one lecture from the industry also, Urja Energy Private Limited. So that's a really great thing you have incorporated in this.
Please.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Dr. Sriramulu from Hyderabad Institute of Technology and Management, Hyderabad, sir, Telangana. Really, it's a wonderful session, sir. 7 professors have delivered 14 excellent lectures. It is very much useful for faculty, and which we can share it to the students. And also it will be very useful for the projects. We can guide the students with this knowledge. As sir mentioned, 1.5 hours. It is not sufficient. We have to go through the videos once again. Again, we have to spend the double time. Thank you very much. Special thanks to Dr. Srinivas sir and NIT Jalandhar, the Department of Mechanics.
Through the post. I'm extremely thankful to our sponsored AICTE Training and Learning Atal Academy for this 5-day FDP. I'm greatly thanks to our director, Dr. LK Avasti, for his supporting and encouragement for the smooth conduction of the program. Involved in this organizing this FDP program. Once again, thanks to all. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind. Thank you.